Welcome to our lecture online. So here we're going to explore why we can see things. And you wonder, well, why is he even asking the question? We just open our eyes and look around and we see things, but we can only see those objects around us if the light from whatever source we have, either it's artificial light or sunlight, wherever the light may come from, hits the object, and then somehow that light ends up in our eyes. And typically we think of it as being reflected by the object, but that's not the case at all. And the reason for that is as follows. We may have learned somewhere in a science class or a physics class that when a light strikes a mirror, it reflects, and that is typically true, and that the angle of incidence equals the angle of reflection. So if I have a bunch of observers standing around like this, and we have a mirror, and we have a laser light hitting the mirror, it will only go back in this direction, it will be reflected in this direction, and only this observer will be able to see that light. Neither one of these other observers will be able to see that light. And that is because it's reflected. Now here I have a laser, I'm going to shine the laser onto the board, and now we determine what is happening. So when I shine the laser on it, notice you can see the dot. But that seems kind of odd because you expect the laser light to be reflected off the board, and then of course the angle of incidence should equal the angle of reflection. And since the camera is there, not over there, you shouldn't be able to see the dot on the board. I shouldn't even be able to see the dot on the board because the laser light is going in this direction, and then it's being what we thought was reflected in that direction. So how can I see the dot? Well, the reason is that the light is not being reflected, but it's being scattered in all directions, including back towards me. Because the board surface doesn't act like a mirror, it simply scatters the lights in all directions. And that's why I can see it, you can see it, and anybody else that stands in the room in any position will be able to see that dot because the light is scattered in every direction of the room. And that is why you can see it just as well as me. But now I'm going to take the laser light and I'm going to shine it in a little mirror right there. So what happens, and let me lift up the mirror so you can see it. So when I shine into the mirror, notice that what I'm going to do is actually, I'm going to clean it just a little bit more because there's probably a little bit of chalk dust on there, so I want to get rid of the chalk dust. And again, let me shine the laser light right into the mirror. And now you can see that you barely see anything on the mirror, because in this case the surface is so clean that the vast majority of the light actually reflects, and therefore no one else in the room can see it. If you look very carefully, you see just a slight amount of green there because there's a little bit of scattering, but the vast amount of the light is reflected, and it's reflected up against the wall up there instead of back towards me or back towards the camera. This is what we call scattered light. This is what we call reflected light. And so the reason why we can see object is because the surface of objects are typically not as smooth and as clear and as polished as a mirror. So when the light hits it, just like on this whiteboard, it just gets scattered in all directions. And that is why we can see all the objects around us. Because if that wasn't the case, we'd have to kind of align ourselves just in the right direction so that the light coming from the sun or coming from the light post or whatever would then reflect right into our direction. Otherwise, we would not be able to see that object, because the light would then not come to us and enter our eye. So that's the interesting part. Why can we see objects? Because the light is scattered off of every object, not reflected of every object. And that is the secret.
Moon?
The moon. So is...
With the moon, they always say, oh, this is a reflection of the sun. They've been saying that my entire life. You see the moon because it's the reflection of the...
That is absolutely correct. So that's what we've always been thinking. That's what we've always been taught. We can see objects because light reflects off the objects. But even from the moon, it's not the case. Is that the light from the sun is scattered in all directions, and we only see the light that's scattered towards us. But you can go into any other direction at any angle and see the moon, because if the light was reflected off the sunlight, if the moon was reflecting the sunlight, you'd only be able to see it in that direct line. So even from the moonshine is scattered light off the moon's surface, not reflected light.